We are here to do a demo on HLOC Lumispa Accent. I want to start with cleansing, so I've got this. Then I want to move to accent with my Idealize. You need to moisten the skin when you cleanse, so I've got my little Lumispa spray bottle. So I would start and cleanse. Just half the face. Start with this cleansing step because this step is so incredibly amazing at exfoliating off the upper layers of skin, treating the skin, exciting the skin, you know, getting the skin going so we can promote that volume and density long term. But you just get your immediate results with doing this are the smoothness and the brightness to the skin. So start with this so that we can get the maximum results. And then you want to take this head off, and if you just wiggle like this and pull, it will come right off. And then you switch to your accent tip. Now with the accent, there's this notch right here. Oh, okay. And on the device, there's this notch right here. Mm-hmm. So you line those two notches up, wiggle and tug, and it snaps right in. So you get your product.
I mean your volunteer.
You hold the device. Yes. And I am just going to take, about less than a pea size and put it on my finger. About like that. And then I'm going to just gently dab. I mean, technically I should use my ring finger because it has the fewest muscles of all the fingers. So it's the most gentle. But we're just gonna just gently do this.
And right over the eyebrow, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you turn on the device, and it's the same steps as when you cleanse. So, you know, when you cleanse, you push this button, it turns it on, it'll go for 30 seconds, then you get that little pause, that haptic feedback that tells you your first 30 seconds are done, and if it was on the face, you'd move to the next area, and you have four 30-second increments. So we're just going to use the first for 30 seconds, unless I get really excited and do it for 60 seconds. So we just push the button, and then you can see the head has started to move. And then on your volunteer, on Kayla, normally when you're doing it on yourself, circular motions like this are fine, but when I'm doing a demo, I go back to more of the galvanic spa movements. Nice and slow. Coming up around the eye, pausing in the crow's feet area, and then lifting up underneath the brow right here. You can see me going all the way underneath that brow and lifting. I was pressing too hard, so it told me to lighten up. And then I'm going to start over again. Nice and slow. You can see me getting close to the eye, but not so close that I'm actually getting the product in her eye. Lifting and pausing there, and then coming up underneath this brow, getting some more lifting action here. And what this is going to do is, it's going to give us those benefits that we want to see with smoothing the skin, brightening the skin, and lifting. I don't know why I'm touching your shoulder. Not a necessary part of the demo. I'm gonna go just a little lower right here. If she had any bags, I'd be working on that area right there, but she doesn't. She's a beautiful millennial. So it's been 30 seconds. I'm just gonna go for 30 more because I'm having a lot of fun. So normally you only do 30 seconds. Just in case somebody has sensitive skin, you don't wanna aggravate it too much. But I know that Kayla doesn't have sensitive skin. We've done demos with her before. So I'm just gonna get a little extra boost working the rest of this product in. Now, and we're done. So after you've done that, you take any excess product and just gently massage that in, and we're gonna follow the same motion, just upward and lifting. And just massage in any excess product. And then, oh my goodness. Wow. Holy wow.
Is it crazy?
That is awesome. Can you like screenshot while we're doing a Facebook Live? I need to save
I
that.
don't think so.
Oh, okay.
We'll do it
Alexa's got
Alexa's
it.
gonna
Oh,
get a
Alexa's gonna
picture.
do one, okay.
Go even
Get in,
closer.
get in there, yeah.
Like awkward close.
Awkward close.
That is cool. So
In Kayla's
that's the
personal
power of a one-time demo. In 30 seconds, well, we did 60 seconds, you can see already a lifting. Now, it's not going to be over the top dramatic, but you could clearly see on Kayla, who's a young millennial, results. You could see the brightening, you could see the lifting. But it was so easy. I mean, we just put a little on, push a button, and then upward, outward movements with a lifting motion always coming up underneath the eyebrow right here. So, are we ready to switch and do it with Eric now?
Yes.
I'm not a
All right.
millennial though. I'm not as pretty as Kayla, but
Don't tell yourself. Normally, I would use some hand sanitizer and cleanse this device, so I would be ready for my next demo. So I've got my second unit here. I'm gonna just snap on the new head accent device, and then we'll come back over to Eric. I'll let you hold this, please. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. Now with Kayla, you saw how much I used on my finger. I wished I had had a little bit more because I didn't end up with a lot to massage in afterwards, so I'm using more on Eric this time.
I have a fatter head too, so probably need a little bit more.
Don't. I'm gonna get even just a teeny bit more.
Am I too tall?
Nope.
No, yeah, okay.
You're okay. I just teeny bit more. Okay, let me put this down.
We need like some music or something.
And I just rubbed the excess on my finger into my hand because I'm not wasting any of this good stuff. So again, I'm just gonna push this button once. You can see the head has started to move and we're ready to go. So again, I'm just gonna start right here in the inner corner of the eye and slowly work my way around the eye. Not pushing too hard because this is a very delicate, sensitive area. But again, nice and slow, so you're getting, if you move too fast, you're not giving the unit a chance to work. And I'm gonna lift here underneath the brow area. We want that nice lifting motion. I was pressing a little too hard, that's why you got that haptic feedback. This can be nice and gentle. Again, slow around the eye.
Yeah, for a minute there, I was wondering what was hapticking.
Haptic.
Oh, no.
Erica's famous in our department for dad jokes.
Hey, I've got kids. I gotta entertain them somehow.
So you can see how close, if you can come in, Alexa, you can see how close I'm getting to the eye, but again, I'm not so close to the eye that I'm actually at risk of getting the product into his eye. Because even an eyelash in your eye area is going to be irritating.
It certainly feels good.
It does, doesn't it? Everyone loves being pampered. That was 30 seconds. We're going to do 60 seconds on Eric too.
I probably need a good hour.
No.
So a couple of people have asked if you should put the ideal eyes on dry, or should we moisten the face first?
There's no, good question. No need to moisten the face. You can put it on dry. Now, if you've done a cleansing treatment first, the skin will be slightly damp as you wash off the cleanser, but that's okay if it's slightly damp. But no need to wet the face down. Okay, so we're just gonna take this excess and just massage that in, and I'm following those same upward, outward motions. Pausing again, and then coming up. And just massaging this in. As I
know.
as
I'm
I
gonna fall
lifted his
asleep.
eye open.
I'm like, hey.
We've almost worked the rest of it in. Just a couple more times around here. And again, we're always just emphasizing that upward, outward with a slight pause. That slight pause just seems to make a world of difference. And with this device, the motion that it's using, that circular motion, is literally, we've done clinical studies to determine the right frequency, to make sure it's at the right frequency to activate the skin, to get the lifting motion, to get the brightening that we want to see there. So let's take a look, and once again, you can see some really nice results. Isn't that awesome? Yep. Yeah, that is so exciting. Okay, can you take a picture of this one? You can see how easy that is. It just takes 30 seconds. I did both of mine for 60 because I get a little gung-ho, but again, make sure they don't have sensitive skin if you're gonna do that. Also, if you're combining it with cleansing half the face, which I didn't do in this scenario, I kind of wish we would have, because we would have gotten even more dramatic results with these two. If you're combining it with the cleansing, you probably don't need to double up, and we don't recommend doubling up. So you will have already treated for 30 seconds cleansing, and then you'll have another 30 seconds following up with applying the Ideal Eyes. So you'll be perfect at that. Consistently use it 30 to 90 days. You're really seeing the maximum results with brightening, lifting, and I emphasize that the short-term benefits were the lifting and the brightening. The long-term benefits are the dark circles, the puffiness, and the under-eye bags in the eye area. So those are your long-term benefits that you're going to see. So we can't wait to see your success, everyone. Bye.
See ya. Bye-bye.